how to find recent servers in Roblox. So here what we want to do is we want to get this extension called RPro. It's super popular, as you can see, 2 million users. So just search for RPro on Google and add the extension. Then once we have the extension added onto our Roblox account, you will need to verify it. I have a tutorial on this as well. But basically, once we have this extension, it will show us our most played right here. And that's how you know that the extension has been successfully installed. Now, if we want to find our recently played server in Roblox, we can just click on the game here that we have played. And if we go to the servers page, and if we scroll down, you will see this, my recent server, last played now, and we can rejoin the server, and we can also see servers my friends are in, and here we can join our friends if they're playing the same game. So it's a very good extension. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.